Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Umar,
Yes.
why you look so stressed? Are you wondering on something?
Actually, I'm thinking about to invest my money, but I don't have any experience. So, can you suggest me any bank or and what product that they offer?
Okay. For your question, based on my research, OCBC Bank is the best bank that I can offer to you, because this bank has 5 type of banking, and it is consumer banking, business banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and transaction banking. For your question, I suggest you to take investment banking.
Yeah, that's true.
Before that, then I know what is OCBC stand for.
OCBC stands for Overseas Chinese Banking Corporation, and it is established on 31st October 1932.
So, what OCBC bank offered for the investment banking?
For investment banking, they offer 3 types of investment product, and it is treasury, unit trust, and premier.
The treasury in OCBC are also called treasury bonds or T-bond. The T-bond are often referred to long-term long bond because they take the longest to mature of government issue securities. Basically, in terms of 30 years of maturity. So the advantage of the treasury are guaranteed rate of return, where you can get certain rate of return on your investment. So there are no losses of value. But the disadvantage of the treasury bond, your interest paid on bonds can be low. So the other one is structured warrant. Structured warrant is a form of structured investment product issued by third party financial. So the advantage of the warrants, you can get lower capital outlay, which is warrants allow investor to gain exposure to an underlying asset. So that is the part of the product that OCBC offered.
Okay, it's quite informative. So, but what about the unit trust?
Unit trust, I think Fazli know about it.
Unit trust is a form of collective investment constituted under a trust need. A unit trust pool investor money into a single fund, which is managed by a fund manager. Unit trust offer access to a wide range of investment, and depending on the trust, it may invest in securities such as share and bond.
But you say about another one, what is it?
The last one is premier.
Premier.
Yes.
That's different.
I think for the premier, based on my research on OCBC official website, it tells that OCBC Premier Booster account is like a membership or something like that lah. So, OCBC Premier Booster account is an excellent saving account that will make your money work harder for you. It means that while you saving, it's like you invest on your saving. So while you save for money, you will still get interest and something like that.
Dividend.
It's not dividend, but you call interest because this is investment. So for example, if your account balance have 200,000 and above, it say that you will enjoy rate higher than a 1 month fixed deposit board rate. And on this website, it tell all the interest given. For example, if you have balance of 200,000, you will receive 3.10 pay rate, and for 3 million and above, 3.30, and balance of 10 million, you will receive 3.80. So while you saving, you still can make investment on your savings. So I don't think you will lose money on that account.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Thank you for your information. You guys helped me so much. So I will try to consider it and try to choose the best option for my investment for the future. Thank you.